How to unblock someone on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can unblock someone on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now once you are logged in, tap on this menu icon right here and just tap on settings. Here scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Here you can see blocked accounts. Tap on blocked accounts. Now you can see the blocked accounts right here. All of the blocked accounts will be listed right here. Now in order to unblock them, all you have to do is tap on their name and you can see unblock options. Tap on unblock and just like that, the person has been unblocked. You can also block next person, or say you wanna block another friend, just tap on this add right here, and from your friend list you can add the person you wanna block. Yeah, this one, and you can see block. Tap on block and they will be blocked and they will be listed right here. As you can see, the friend has been listed in the blocked contacts. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.